Jessica Day, and I run 4 of the ZB6 12s on Salt 12 wired at.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop. What year's your Explorer?
2019.
2019. Nice. Very nice.
Don't mind the 8K back
It's like
there.
a zebra. I look at the zebra color. Yeah. Don't mind the what?
The 8K, we were experimenting, and instead of trying to pull it out, I just left that one. The 12K's on the other side.
So you have a 12K, but the 8K is not hooked up. It's just mounted
No,
there.
it's just mounted there.
Got it. All right. Very nice. Wow. Are you having any issues with this? Oh, it's all. Oh man, it's broke. You'd actually be surprised if you take this out, it'd be a little louder.
We're thinking about taking it off and
Yeah. Yeah.
downstairs.
Nice. And this is at 1 ohm or half ohm, the amp? Half ohm, okay.
These are the 6s.
6s, okay. I'm still loading the motors. Wow. So what made you do port up versus bag, sideways, or anything like that?
Space limitations.
There you go.
Not space to fire backwards.
Yep.
I could have went a little bit wider with it, but
Yeah.
I had it pretty with an actual amp rack with a lid and everything, the first one, but we still have.
I was gonna say, instead you have Sundown Salts, now you still have your Sound Q4 channels.
Yep. And then I've actually, this is the first JP that I started running.
Okay. Oh yeah.
Little.
Yeah.
And this is the 60 amp hour skips.
Yep. Very nice.
We're gonna take it home and completely redo it.
I like that you have an amp rack here to kind of stage above it. Yeah.
Yeah. We're gonna neaten it up and build
Yeah,
it.
work in progress, I know. Yeah. Very nice.
I'm OCD, so the whole wire thing gets me.
Yeah.
Really smart.
What's your name? What's in here? Go ahead.
Jessica Day, and I run 4 of the ZB6 12s
Okay.
on Salt 12 wired at half ohm.
Nice. Well, you got AC. Nice. Nice and cool. Very nice. How did you mount this amplifier to the, is it on a wood platform behind the box?
Yes, it's mounted to the box.
Okay. Wow. Really nice. What kind of, what's your electrical like, your alternator and battery power?
I have a 320 Tucson alternator
Okay.
right there, and I also run with the US alternator PCM module
Okay.
that controls it.
Yeah.
My rectifier went out, so my voltage just kind of.
Up and down? Okay.
Yeah, but
All right.
for right
Nice.
now,
Yep. And how much lithium?
I have 60 amp hour strip back.
Okay. All right. And last question, your tuning on the box. An SPL score.
34.8 is what it's tuned to.
Okay.
But right now I got 2 new subs and still breaking in.
Yeah.
So I'm peaking probably around like 36.
Okay. Yep.
Kind of fluctuates.
Did you do any burps just to see the score?
I did. I went to a GS3 show 2 weekends ago, and I burped her sealed
Yep.
at 36 hertz. She did a 153.3.
Oh
And
wow.
Outlaw, she did a 154.
That's good. All right. Have you happy with it? Or you still want to be a little louder?
No, I pretty much have taken it where I'm gonna, now
Yeah.
it's just fine tuning things and
Yeah.
kind of tweaking and getting it solid. And
Yes, ma'am. All right. Yeah, I'd love to hear it. Awesome. Does it do better windows down, up, door open? Or?
She does better with the window. I mean, she's louder with the windows down.
Let's do that. All right. Sounds good. Yeah. How low are you playing down to in this box?
30. Well, I don't know how low we're playing, but it likes about 34.
34? I was right. Yeah, mid 30s.
I don't know
Nice.
how low it's playing. I know it don't like.
Yeah.
I think it likes to go below about maybe 22, 24.
24?
Let's go below that.
Yeah. Awesome. Wow. How did you mount that amplifier up there?
There's a board behind it. It's a board that's mounted to that to the box,
Okay.
and it's barely on there.
I got it. Nice. Looks good. Who built this and installed it?
I did.
Nice job. Looks good, man.
Yeah, Jessica helped with it too.
Okay. Nice.
Yeah, yeah.
I used to press the dickies will stay flow. Sold pieces for my rally, chasing peso. Now they want me with nothing cause I let my pay show. So I hop inside of my Mercedes and let the bass go. Hating ass niggas, I creating cash, I ain't putting the two on the two, making vast figures. Be faking class with it. I'm a conqueror. Little me, hating on a monster truck. Under such a happy with the yonder stuff. The conjurer.
certain frequency on that really hits like really hard. I really appreciate that. That's nice. It seems to like the 30 hertz range really well. Nice. Thank you for the demo.